Something terrible happened to my Flowtron BK-15 bug zapper. It's the BK-15. Whoa! There's nothing left of that one side. Water got into the extension cord and just fried it. I don't think the transformer is bad in this though. Which is a good thing. I always use these three spot extension cords. It's the only ones I could find in this short of a length. See, this thing actually looks like it's set on fire a little bit. See the it's burned. It's crazy. I remember last time I plugged one of these in like this, I also got electrocuted really bad, so I'm not gonna do that again. Anyway, I just put a new cord on it. I'll be alright.